My name is Aminata Dumbuya. I am a teacher at Every Nation Academy Primary School, Putloko. I have been teaching in this school for the past 5 years. As a teacher, I like to be with the kids, talk to them, play with them, we create fun in class, out of the class. We do jokes, so I feel lively when I am with the kids. I like to teach the kids about literacy, numeracy. I like to make fun with them. We crack jokes in the classroom and out of the classroom. What motivates me to be a teacher? I want to contribute to the development of my country and the community and the nation as well. As a teacher, I face a series of challenges. I am not on payroll. I receive stipend from the school and the community. Sometimes, I cannot afford transportation fare and I walk 1.5 miles to school. My pupils like to read, they like to write, they like to play, they like to do outdoor activities like games and sports. My pupils are bold, they have confidence, they like to read, they like to write, and they like to express themselves. Sometimes they face challenges like inadequate lunch and learning materials. In foundational learning, I use demonstration, songs, and play to pass on ideas or knowledge to my people. Demonstration is my best approach to get children take active part in learning. The impact of foundational learning on my people is that it introduces a simpler way of learning arithmetic and improves their pronunciation of words.
A red apple. I see a red apple. It is in my picture book. I like to read, I like to play, I like to sing.
I wish the government and other decision makers to encourage more training for teachers on the foundational learning across the country. I would like them to provide more learning and teaching materials for us in school.